एक अन्य वीडियो में 1 मिनट को इंग्लिश में बात करना. So hi there. In this today's video, we are going to develop the footer as well. For what we are going to develop a footer. So if I show you here, footer is coming, but this one I don't need it. Like I have to modify it on the basis of in small scale. I want something else like this one. Yeah, header as well. Sorry, header. I need something else. So let's go to the side React Material UI. Okay, I'm going to the React Material UI. I will get started, and it will tell me how I can install the package. So I need this package, peer dependencies. Okay, style component. Okay, roboto font icons. Okay, I have material. This one, and then I need something icons as well. Okay, let me install the two packages and let's see what's going to happen, guys. Seriously, let me run this, and I'm testing this. I need this package. The two packages that we are going to use, and let me copy the other package as well. This is the icons one because we need the icons as well. I feel like okay, you can use the link href and these things as well, like word material UI, but I'm fine with npm package. Let me install this, taking some time. Okay. By the way, it's when it's taking some time, let's see something we have for us. Navbar, I need something. Bottom navigation, I feel this is fine, or this one is looks nice. Let's develop this one. Let's check this one. Yeah, it's stalled. Let me do npm run dev. I'm using directly material UI, so I don't need. I'm not using Angular, so that I have to import somewhere there and that. Let me run this and okay. Let me go this to this. I have the navbars, I feel like, and I have given fixed. Okay, something hidden I have given. Where I have given hidden? Okay, I have hidden. Okay, this nav bar is hidden if you see here. I have this fixed top header. Okay, I can put it here. Bottom navigation. I have to click on the expand code. I have this box. If you see, this box is there, and okay. I am using something. Okay, set value. I am using set value and these things as well. Okay, let me see what's going to happen. I need these things for now. Let me copy this and do as such what they are doing, and let's integrate it. So I'm using the use client. I have the use client. No issues. I will copy paste these code, and inside there, let's add a comment, small screen. First time when you are integrating these packages, it will take some time, and then you will be in a habit. So I have this const value, set value. Let me do a set value, like I'm using here. Okay, I'm using here. I'm setting this value, and you are using React packages. If you use any sort of React application, you have to use use client. Already, I told you in the previous video, then you don't have to worry about. Now I need this box. So this one, copy this one. Okay, and if you see here, I have some width they have added, but I'm not going to use this kind of width because I'm not using the CSS. I will be using the pure tailwind CSS. So for this, I'm going to remove this SX and these things. Let me add a class name equal to. I'm having a class of width full, and I'm adding a drop shadow MD. These are tailwind CSS classes, and from MD I'm going to hidden this. I don't need it, and I'm going to give a fixed, and I'm giving a bottom zero, like it should be fixed from bottom, like, and left also zero, guys, and right also zero. So this is the code, and small code. Let me go here and refresh the page. Number 7, you have to refresh the cache as well. So I feel like it looks nice. How's looking? Comment below. These are the. I click on the refresh. I click on the nearby, and this is awesome. I feel like this is awesome. Okay, this is awesome. This is a small video. We integrated our package, and if you see here, we are able to. Navbar is working fine. Okay, first of all, I need a home button. For this, I have to go to the icons. I have this icon section, I think so. If I search here, icons, yeah, material icons I have. I feel like this is fine. And I have to search here, home. Yeah, okay. I think this one looks nice. Or which one looks nice? Comment below. For now, I'm using this one, and this one is fine. Fine. Directly, you have to import it, guys. similar way. I'm removing the store icon and I'm changing it to the home icon. Let's see it's integrated. Yeah, home. Cool. And I can give a label like home. Similarly, I will be having, if you see here, what I have the about section and have what I'm developing. I am developing here electricals kind of stuff. So let's give home, shop, and something else like. Okay. For now, I will be writing a shop. Let's take a shop one. What able to type here? What happened here? Seriously, something went wrong here. This one, yeah. Let's give this, and later on we can modify as per our need, guys. No need. It depends upon it. So shop two, I can let me give it. Okay, and shop, or you can give explore, explore. Totally depends upon us. Let's give explore tag, and here let's give let us add a link tag instead of this one. Yeah, let me add a link tag and see like I'm able to go with the link tag or not. What is complete link? Okay, link needs href. Cool. Let me give it a blank href. Href is declared here. Href is missing parenthesis. What the shit is this one? Yeah, it's fine, yeah. I'm cool with this, yeah. VS Code issue, yeah. Seriously. Okay. I think in home time I added a. It is going to home. Explore home tab. Let me click on the about section. I have the about one. If I click on the home tab, what's going to happen? It's going to go to the meet. Feel looks good, but the only thing is that I'm not getting the label. Yeah, label is not working for me. Yeah, but the label is not working in that case. Yeah, cool. Label is not working, guys. Seriously, and I feel like this is also not coming as bold. Export is only coming as bold. This is also one of the issue. Like if you face here bottom navigation. Yes, so I was checking something. I found one way, like I don't know, later on we will be optimizing, we will be changing something else. So what I did, I added a class name here and path name I have given, and similarly like at the top I did. So I added a BG blue for it. It's not allowing the text one, and we are using this jam integral something other, we have to figure it out. I click on this border I am getting. Similar way you can do it for home, and explore is this coming as bold, and this label is also coming because we didn't added a label tag, link tag here. So if we add a link tag, then something or the other is happening. So you have to see like how we can do this. Let me add something else as well, like have this app bar. I can choose this as well, but the only thing is like we are bound to use something else. This also looks nice for me. I can use this one. I will be using this in like dashboard panel. Okay, I need something progress bar. Yeah, linear progress. I think this one looks nice. Yeah, linear intermediate. This one is fine for me. Okay, so I can click on the expand code, and I need this one. So what I have to do? I can do this on when I need some progress. Like I can do this in if else condition. Okay. For now, let me import this. The shade also I am going to use. Yeah, that's the shade folder only I added. Okay, top loading bar dot tsx field. Let me add a RAFC, and top loading bar I will be adding these things, box and this one, and let me inside the div let me add these things. I don't need box, I think so. A box, do I need the box? Let's do this without a box. What I do without a box, and I can give a width full something. This one I can give it, and let's see whether this one is it's working or not. Okay, I didn't import it and anything. This I should have imported here in the page.tsx. Not, I have something else. Yeah, where is that? Where did I import the nav and these things? Layer.tsx, I think so. Okay, inside this navbar at the top, I will be importing top loading bar. For now, I didn't added any sort of conditions here. I will be adding a condition. Let me wait for a 1 second. Let me see what console error I have. The app does not recognize the show label. Okay, I think here I have to use a use client. I feel like I have to use a use client. I'm not sure. Let me copy this and change it directly here and see where this one is working or not. For now, I'm removing this class name as well. I should get a If I'm not getting this one, why it's showing error? Did I added anything like this which is having this issue? Let me import it later on. Like, let me see whether below it's working or not. See, this top loading bar is working. Yeah, it's working. But I needed a top, so I think I added something or other which is causing a issue. See, top zero, fix top zero. If I remove the top zero, what's going to happen? I'm doing a try and error. I know it's going to having some taking some time. See, this is working fine. I think so. Now it is working fine, and if you see here, this is working fine. Width, I can configure the width as well. Let's change that as well. I don't need a, I think box is not required. I feel like, let's see, without box it's working or not. Width full. Let me remove the box and see whether it's working or not. See, looks good for me, but I will be changing it later on, something or other. Yeah, but the width, I feel like width is somewhat more. Can I configure the width height? Let me give a height of 1. Feel like it should work. Okay, it didn't happen anything. So this top loading bar also we are getting, and let's develop the home page in the next video. In this video, we develop this small logic. This is working and this is working. Did you all notice something? I noticed a issue. This Navbar, I fixed it, but somehow it's happening. I should get MB 20 na. I gave a 20 MB 20 at below. Nothing is going to happen. Yeah, it's working fine. Yeah, nothing is going to happen. I am giving a margin of 20 so that I can fix this data is coming. Okay. Now in the next video, we are going to develop this home page, about page, and these things. See, if you see, everything is working fine. Top loading bar is also coming. Only issue is there. We developed this thing, so I am using tail react material or something issue is happening. I should have used tailwind CSS here. We will see that whether we will going to change it or not later on. Let's end this video.